Hi friends, the Kotak Business Cycle Fund, our latest offering, will follow the theme of investing according to the business cycles. This equity scheme is an open-ended scheme, and as the name suggests, it will follow the theme of investing according to economic and business cycles. Friends, let's understand this in more detail. The fund aims to dynamically move between various sectors and stock in a manner where it can benefit from the different economic and business cycles that the economy is going through. It will do this by following a top-down approach to construct a portfolio where it will identify stages of business cycle and then look into opportunities sector-wise. Once we identify a sector, we will then follow a bottom-up approach where we will try to identify strong companies within that sector, and we'll follow our gorilla to King Kong approach. What this means is that at most times our portfolio will have companies from few selected sectors which are likely to do well in the particular business cycle that we currently are in. To select companies within this sector, we will use a combination of factors which include the business, management, valuation of companies, which we call BMV. Apart from this, we will track several other factors. There would be economic parameters such as profit growth trend, country's GDP growth, fiscal deficit, inflation, capacity utilization. Investment indicators would include rising capacity utilization, credit growth, and investment in capital expenditure, etc. We would also consider business and consumer sentiment indicators while selecting stocks and sectors. Now, let us understand how different sectors behave in different phases of a business cycle. In an expansion stage in an economy, rate-sensitive and cyclical companies tend to outperform, friends. These include metals, power, infrastructure, and capital goods. In the mid-cycle phase of an economy, growth generally moderates, but sectors such as energy, industrials, and banking could continue to do well. And in the late cycle of an economy, or in the contraction phase, sectors which typically generate high free cash flow and are cash-rich companies, such as fast-moving consumer goods, IT, and pharmaceuticals, tend to outperform. As investors, though, you must understand that often these phases of an economy can overlap, and which is why the portfolio may have the presence of various sectors. We hope that this has been helpful in understanding the concept of the Kotak Business Cycle Fund, and look forward to your participation in the NFO, friends. Thank you and happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.